and something I was thinking about today, right? And when you say, if I'm not doing this, what would I be doing? So I don't question what I would. I'm looking at what I am. Because the moment you start to question what it was like, then you start to divert energy into that instead of focusing all your energy on where you're at and where you're going.
Where you're going, what's ahead of you.
Yeah, and I find that will just hamper your purposeful walk if you do that. So what is done, you learn your lessons, where you were, you're here, energy up here, go for it. And when this walk is over and you take on another walk, this walk is done, you move to the next walk and leverage it, get the most you can, let it be the most impactful it can be. That's my purpose for